What surprised me most during the semester? Probably the fact that I thought I knew more about iPads and the things that they could do, but it turns out I didn't really. I thought that this class was very interesting, very difficult, and yet very, very insightful. I learned a lot of different things about the applications that could be used in a classroom, the importance of technology in the classroom, and the importance of the teacher knowing about how to use the technology in the classroom. I've learned that students, especially the students we're going to teach, are a lot more tech savvy, and yet I still don't think they know that they can use different applications in order to enhance their learning. Most kids are on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat, but they don't use their technology to enhance their learning. And I think that this class helped with that. I think that this class really surprised me. I didn't expect it to be as interesting as it was. And I'm just being honest. I thought, okay, great, we're getting an iPad and we're just gonna learn how to use an iPad in the classroom, boring, that kind of stuff. But it wasn't. It was really fun to be able to explore different things that the iPad and the apps that it can do in a classroom. I think that the biggest thing I learned while doing this, and what really surprised me the most, was how easy the apps are to actually use. And that's saying a lot. The things that I learned about will help me so much in the future as a teacher, and will help me figure out how to teach students better. I was constantly thinking about, how am I going to get my students engaged in literature when they're always on their technology? Well, now I know I can use these different apps, to really enhance their learning in many different ways. With grammar, which I used Adobe Spark Video for, and just even the Clips app, being able to teach a lesson with text and video. That's really important in a classroom setting. I think that I learned most was to keep up on my website because it's important for professionals. And I learned a lot looking at other teachers' websites and how they use technology in their classrooms, and how innovative and interesting that was, and how they updated it very very on the spot all the time. And that's a big deal. And learning about that and how to create my own website was huge. It'll be innovative to learn more and create more. And as I age and go through my teaching career, making my website my priority will be a big deal when I start teaching. I plan to put my lessons on there. I plan to put so many different things on my website, examples that students can just easily click and navigate and go to, and I think that that's really, really important, and I'm very, very, very glad that we learned how to do that this semester. And I think all of those things combined made for an exciting, difficult, frustrating semester, but I'm glad that I did it, and I'm glad that I got through it.